have Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, then you will not have a problem with setting this up. It's basically just going step by step, and that's it. Or there are plugins to do that. If you have a custom made website, then you're gonna have a little bit of a problem. Okay, let me just show you real quick how to do them. It's really simple to set them up, but you need to be careful about a couple of things and a couple of options I'm going to pick up here.
Yeah, I think that's the biggest key is like Google ads and Facebook ads and these different platforms have like a million different options, but usually like 3 or 4 of them are like far more important than the rest of them.
Yes, and of course, optimizing is the most important part. Not just like where did you click, but how do you manage these campaigns. For Google, it's especially important you check them daily, and you need to go into the Google Ads every day, see what's happening, make maybe changes based on that, but you need to check them daily. So you need to troubleshoot everything. So first of all, you need to have, so the dashboard needs to look like this. It needs to be on the campaign level. You can go onto the overview and then new campaign, or just click on create. So we're gonna create a new campaign. You have your objective. If you're doing shopping ads, I highly suggest you go with sales or without the goals guidance, but sales, that's what you need. Sales, now you have conversion goals. If you didn't set up your pixel, set it up beforehand. It's really important to have a pixel there. So I don't think we'll go through the pixel setup right now, but set up the pixel.
We'll point you guys to some resources for that if you need help with that. But it's just, like you need to be able to track your campaigns from start to finish to see, part of how they know $1 in and $83 out on some of those other campaigns you saw in the highlight reel, or because there's tracking in place for that.
Yeah, and if you have any questions, you can ask me, you can ask Frankie, just ask. Don't try to waste like 3 hours on searching how to do it. You can just ask. It's not a big deal.
True story.
Yeah. So the most important part at this step is you only need to have it as purchases, and you need to see that it's tracking properly. This is a turned off account right now, so it says it's inactive, but it should be without this.
Yeah.
So it should track. It needs to be on purchases. You do not add any goals at here, only purchases. That's it. That's what you need to know. Then you're gonna click on continue. Now you have search, performance, shopping, discovery, video. You go, click on shopping. What would you know? Like, it's shopping.
Yeah.
Then there is another important step before creating shopping ads. This is maybe the most troublesome one, or maybe time-consuming one. It's setting up a merchant center account. Now, for those of you who do not know what's a merchant center account, it's basically it's like a Google My Business profile, but for e-commerce stores, where you upload your products. So import everything from your products: prices, headlines, descriptions, quantity, shipping days, shipping times. If you have Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, then you will not have a problem with setting this up. It's basically just going step by step, and that's it. Or there are plugins to do that. If you have a custom made website, then you're gonna have a little bit of a problem. But again, you can ask me, you can ask Frank.
But this is like the digital equivalent, just so you guys can wrap your head around it, like uploading a catalog. If you had a store and that store had a catalog, you're putting that catalog into Google, so they, basically understand who you are, what you do, how much it costs, and all those kind of fun.
Yeah. Basically a catalog with extra steps. And a cool thing about this is you get 2 options, so 2 benefits from this. One is you can use Google Shopping ads, and second one is Google actually promote your products for free in their like Google search base and everything. So you get really nice benefits, and that's it. So you're just putting it onto Google search, let's say, into Google's database of your products. That's it. Then it will pop up here. You would have to connect it here on the tools and settings, and you will have linked accounts. You just connect it. There are like 2 simple steps you need to do that. You will have an ID of your Google Merchant Center. That's it. It needs to be here. So that's really important. If you do not have this, you cannot use shopping ads, because it dynamically and automatically uses the information from your website through Google Merchant account. So your headlines, prices, and everything that gets updated into the Merchant Center account, it will update in Shopping Ads as well. So this is really important.
Guys, if you like this video, you're also going to want to grab some free bonuses, which you can get at our website, Beyond Agency Profits. To make it easy for you, I've put the links to it in the description of this video, as well as pinned in the top comment. And we've got a couple of awesome things. This is what you'll get after you sign up. You get some of our best training, how we're closing clients over Loom videos, how we sometimes sign clients that is not a misprint for under $5 US. How to demonstrate your value in like amazing ways, trainings, how to have your clients write the best copy of your life, how we're closing without phone calls, campaigns that we've generated for clients that have done over $100,000, as well as scripts you can use to get conversations going with clients in under 10 minutes. All you got to simply do is go there, enter your name and email address, and then this is what you'll see on the other side. So if that's interesting to you, make sure to click the links below, and I will see you on the other side.